Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your lightning black soap. So basically the ingredients we are going to be needing is really simple. So the first thing is a raw black soap, raw, like completely raw black soap, and you can get this from the local market or anywhere. As you can see, it is semi powdery, so just like semi powdery like that. Yeah, last thing that we're going to be needing is our honey, and you guys know honey is a good ingredient for the skin and it is a good antioxidant for the skin. Eggs, you guys know the benefit of eggs to the skin, and I'm going to be leaving the benefit on the screen right here. So you're going to be needing egg. So this is sandalwood powder, and you can get this from your market and cosmetic shops. Yeah, basically cosmetic shops you can get your sandalwood powder, and sandalwood is a really good powder that is good to prevent acne, pimples, eczema, dark spots. Now next thing we're going to be needing is our turmeric powder, and you guys know I've used I've made a video on how I use turmeric powder to fade dark spots. So turmeric powder is basically good to fade dark spots and to rejuvenate the skin and give it that glow, and it makes your skin brighter, of course. So yeah. So the next thing we're also going to be needing is the cinnamon powder, and cinnamon is really good for the skin as well, just like sandalwood powder. The scent is also like really good, and it also sinks to the brain and makes the brain relax. Yeah, I know this looks like orange, but this is a lemon. So we're going to be needing our lemon for the black soap as well. As you guys know, lemon is an antioxidant, and it also helps to lighten dark spots and to lighten the skin. So we're going to be needing our lemon, and we're also going to be needing just one lime. Yeah, I just like to add lime to my black soap as well, because lime is actually more kind of active than lemon. So I'm not actually going to be using these three. I'm just going to be using only one lime, and it's not even the whole one, just half of the lime in my black soap. Then we're going to be needing some oats. Yeah, I know this is weird, but oat is also a lightening agent, and the best thing, the good thing about this whole black soap is that all these ingredients are mainly organic. So we don't want to like harm our skin. So we're going to be needing like a tablespoon of oats, and I'm using this cocoa oats right here. Normally it's supposed to be oat powder, but since I don't have the oat powder and I couldn't get it in the market, so I usually just use my white oats, and I just blend the oat in together. So now we are going to need some lightening serum, and this is the lightening serum I usually use. It is the CT Plus clear therapy serum. Like, it's an intensive whitening serum, as you guys can see. So I usually use CT Plus serum because I noticed that this makes your skin, your color, vibrant, and it's even out your skin tone. So that's why I usually use my CT Plus whitening serum, because this serum is like the holy grail, I tell you guys. Like, if you want to tone your skin and you don't want to bleach, you don't want any sort of bleaching, you just want your skin to tone out, and toning is different from bleaching. So if you want your skin to tone out, you don't want any discoloration and all that shit. So this is your holy grail. So I usually use this in my black soap. So you guys don't mind my localish behavior. I usually use coconut water, and I usually use the one straight from a coconut. So this is the coconut water I'm going to be using now. Yeah, so I just crack this coconut, and I'm going to be using the water in it. Alright, so now what to do is really simple. I usually use what's this thing called? Grinding stone. Yeah, grinding stone. So some people used to use grinding pot, mortar and pestle. Well, this is what I have, and this is what we'll make use of. So yeah, so what we want to do now is basically we want to put our black soap on the grinding stone, and then just scatter it like this. So now I want to add a teaspoon of our oats, or is this a tablespoon? I usually use a plastic spoon like this. Use a tablespoon of sandalwood powder. So that we're gonna add teaspoon of cinnamon powder, turmeric powder. That's like half a tablespoon. So now we just want to like mix all this together, and I love to use my hand because that's the best tool. I've mixed all the oil ingredients in, and it has formed a mold like this. So as you guys can see, those ingredients are not yet incorporated into the soap just yet, so we have to add our semi-liquid, and the only semi-liquid ingredients we have here I think is our egg. So basically I'm going to be making a hole in the center of my mold, and then I'm going to be breaking the egg inside it. Add our honey to the mix. So I'm just adding this whole like half a cup of honey basically, and you guys please ignore the noise. I'm just gonna use my hand to to form a mold. I'm just gonna mix it in like this. Guys, it's so hard to do this with one hand though. So I'm just gonna put the whole thing in there. Take this and stone and I'll just pound. So if you have mortar and pestle, like that's the best option to make your black soap. But since I don't have mortar and pestle, I just use this and just pound it. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of our serum right there. So now I'm going to be adding just half a slice of lime. So yesterday, you guys know I made the soap yesterday, and I forgot to add some things because I couldn't get them in the market. So I'm just adding powdered milk, some coconut oil and shea butter. I have my coconut, and I just drained the water in the coconut. So basically I drained the water into this container, and slowly and gently we'll start adding the coconut water. This is the old soap, so we are basically going to blend it till we get our desired texture basically. But since I don't have mortar and pestle, this is what I have, grinding stone, and I make do with this. So guys, this is basically the finished, the finished soap. So I just made this large quantity, like I add more soap to it today, and this is it. I usually store it in this container. Like guys, this is a jumbo container, and this soap right here will take me for almost a year. I tell you guys, it take me for almost a year. And let me just show you guys how it looks. So this is basically what it looks like. Basically, can you guys see it? That is basically what it looks like, and it's really big, like it's a big container. And I added the sulphur because sulphur is good for to prevent rashes, to kill all this acne causing bacteria. So that is basically it. What I just do with this soap is I just apply a little bit of it on my skin, and I leave it for 5 minutes before I take my bath. So I usually apply it on my skin, on my face actually, 5 minutes before taking my bath. And yeah, if you guys try this video, be sure to tell me how it works, if it works for you or not. Be sure to leave your comment in the comment section below, and you guys can leave your video suggestions in the comment section below as well. So till next time, bye.